Greetings from the 65th floor in Panama City. I have something a little special for you all today, and if you're into birds and bird watching, even more so. Ready? Let's do this. Okay, so first things first, let's go over to the head office of the location I'm gonna take you all today.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
Ready for some adventures?
Nice, yeah, bro. Alright, so this is the man behind the adventure that I'm talking to you about. And the name of it is The Bird's Nest?
The Bird's Nest.
The Bird's Nest, right? And this is Austin Hess. You would have seen him in a couple of my other vlogs. He is my partner in crime when it comes to promoting all that Panama has to offer. So let's go take a look at the office.
Absolutely.
Let's go. Thank you, sir. Alright, this is where the magic happens. This is the office space for The Bird's Nest and the restaurant and magazine
And do Panama. All in one spot here at the Wardolph Hotel.
Pretty sweet. So tell me what The Bird's Nest is.
Yeah, you know what? The Bird's Nest is just something that when I went up and visited Cerro Azul last year, and I was just blown away by all the bird species and the nature, so I decided to put together an Airbnb experience so awesome people like you can come and enjoy.
So, fun fact about me, I love birds, and I will tell you about that story when I'm on my way up to Cerro, Azul, which is east of Panama City. It's not a place that I frequent very often, but you're gonna get some today. So, Austin, I'll see you up there. Now that is a beautiful sunset. So Cerro Azul is 1 hour outside of Panama City, and that's actually Panama City you're seeing in the distance there. Really nice vantage point. It's a lookout halfway up to Cerro Azul. Perfect opportunity for me to tell you why I'm into birds. When I was a lot younger, my grandmother lived with us, and she was very much into birds and nature, you know, still is. And I didn't have a television at home, no TV, so lots of books. Some of those books were birds of Trinidad and Tobago, so a lot of the flora and fauna is shared with Panama because we're just about the same distance off of the equator, just a little bit to the right, more east. But we share a lot of similar species in birds and animals in Trinidad and Tobago. So one of the things my grandmother would do, which was really cool, is she would get up extremely early in the morning and put bananas on my windowsill. So the first thing I would wake up to is the chirps and sounds and singing of birds of all various types. So my curiosity with birds, came from that. I would kind of cross-reference the birds that I'm seeing on my windowsill with the birds that I'm seeing in the books at home. So I became very versed with birds, the different varieties, species, etc. But that was so many years ago. Fast forward to this year, Austin invited me up to this new experience that he has, this new Airbnb experience that he has. And so many different bird species that it reignited that passion that I had for birds from way back when I was younger. The good news is, it's not only birds up there. And I will leave that surprise for when we get up there. Let's go! Well, folks, we made it. Welcome to the bird's nest. I just had food delivered to me from the catering service that works with this experience. Actually, let me explain the experience. The bird's nest is not just a location, it is a whole experience. You can do bird watching, and there's lots of different species here. I can't remember how many, but you know, Austin will be able to fill you in. There are monkeys, there are coatis, there are sloths. So you get to see more than just birds. In addition, in the surrounding areas, you can go to rivers, waterfalls. There are hikes of all different intensities. I've seen guys doing mountain biking here, which is right up my alley, and even some motocross. I saw some guys on bikes coming out of here when I was coming in. So the location itself, which has 2 rooms, I think, and a platform in the back for bird watching, a table tennis board. It's all encompassing, and I highly recommend it. I thoroughly enjoyed myself when I came to shoot the promotional video for Austin here, which I will link down below. So check it out. It was a pretty good production, and we had some really good folks with us for that shoot. So check it out. There's a whole lot of information on there about the experience, where you can sign up for it, and the website. So both the promotional video and the website are in the links in the description below. So let me go eat some of this delicious food that was brought for me here. Oof, that was delicious. I'm off to, check this out. So this is a photo wall for guests that come and take photos. And whatever is their best photo gets put up on the wall of fame. Pretty cool. Yeah, so I'm off to bed, and I'm actually pretty excited to see whatever species of animals and birds I see in the morning. And I'll be up bright and early to be able to see that, and to probably capture to show you as well. So hasta mañana, it's sleepy time. Good morning. I'm up on the platform here having breakfast and listening to the sounds of the jungle. And when I was preparing breakfast, I saw all of these birds come out to have their breakfast as well. And I feel a sense of calm, serenity, and completely engulfed by nature while I'm here. It's crazy. I love this place. Couple of fun things in the back here. There's an outdoor shower down there. There's a bug wall that illuminates at night and brings a bunch of really cool, strange species of bugs of all different types and colors to this wall, because of course they're drawn to light. So that's pretty cool. And lots of bananas for the birds in the back here as well. Pretty cool spot in the back of the house, you know. By the way, folks, if you can take a moment to like this video, and if you're not already subscribed, subscribe if this is the kind of content you like. It will mean the world to me. The more likes, the more the algorithm likes the video, and the more people can find out about cool places like this in Panama. So do me a favor, do me a solid. Thank you. All right, folks, so that's it for this adventure. You have the, what do you call it, El Rey, the king, El Jefe here of the Bird's Nest. Anything you want to let the folks know before we close off?
Yeah, just first off and foremost, Adventure Ridge, thanks for coming and checking us out. Yeah, dude, you're the best, brother. And to all of you out there, you know, we put this together for you guys, so I hope you come and enjoy it. And for more information, thebirdsnestpanama.com.
Yep, the website will be linked in the description below, and the video that I told you about. And I have some Bokete ziplining action coming up this week, so look out for that. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, and let's do this.